Okay, now welcome to our TEMAX. I'm Aaron for TEMAX is a manager. So now we are introduce always the main products of this year. So first one we are introduce our door accessory. It's also is a soft close the hardware. So first one we are consider door hinge. Yeah, we have the so many items for the soft close. And this our soft close we have the three size. It's a 194, 177, and this small size 155. It's a three size. It's also double damper, adjustable the power, anything. So now we have the solution is this one. This is small, the hose, and this they use the special the aluminum or other the wood door. So and this one they use the electric lock and the video and then the LED light. Sometimes we need the power inside the wall and then put the door. So need this one.